Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I am back with Digital Wealth Pros, the only automated system that's generating $200 to $800 per sale. That's $200, $400, and $800 on autopilot. What I like about this program for the newbies out there is you don't have to do any selling, meaning you don't have to answer any questions, okay? When you send people to your page, they will see a presentation, okay? They're going to watch this presentation right here, the 7-minute presentation. It does all the selling, right, and telling. Then they're going to call if they have any questions. They'll call this 800 number, okay, and give your ID as the referral and let the customer service center, okay, the professional call center, let them answer all the questions. So you guys don't have to do that. Your only job is to promote, okay? Promote. Okay, that's the only job that you have. All right, so that's what I like mostly about it. And they have the call center, okay, that's going to help you guys so you don't have to, because I know a lot of times when people get started, they actually don't want to leave their phone number, any of that stuff. But you don't have to worry about that here, because the professional call center will take care of all that for you guys. But yes, 7 minutes. If you got 7 minutes, watch this video. It explains the program, okay? And then if you have any questions, just call the call center. They will answer all the questions for you. This program actually have digital products, okay? $200 product. It's $297 to get in. That allows you to earn $200 per sale. They have the $400 product, which is $497. And you make $400 per sale. And then they have the $997, the platinum product is $997, and you make $800 commissions. These are one-time commissions. There's no, one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. Okay, so just promote the system. Okay, keep it simple, guys. Sometimes I know everybody overthinks it. Come up with a plan. How I want to promote this thing. All right, if you don't want to do your own promoting, you can use solo vendors. I've showed you guys some of those. Or you can use the done for you system, where they will do the marketing for you for a month. Okay, and if you like the results, then you can get the co-op. Okay, so if you don't want to do your own marketing. All right, guys, but this is a simple system. Don't overcomplicate it. You're going to have to remain consistent. Doesn't matter what you join. You got to believe in what you're doing, and you've got to be consistent with it. Okay? So that is the key. Consistency. This is the system I'm using right here. This is the capture page system. I like this third-party system. Of course, DWP has their own, but I like this one. It has this video right here, the opt-in page, and then it has a follow-up series. That's going to email follow-up series that's going to follow up with your prospects. When they opt in, it's going to send emails on your behalf. Okay, and that's what you want, because that is also very important, to have a system in place to collect the leads, a system that's going to follow up via email for you. Okay, and that's how that goes. Capture page captures the leads, and then you have an email follow-up series. This system right here is $19.99 a month. Okay, but it's well worth it, because this is what automates the process. Okay, your job is just to get people here, then you have the follow-up email. Okay, and this is a great system. I've been using it for quite a while. It's already designed. They have a follow-up series specifically for DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, that's what you're looking at right here. You get the regular DWP 7-minute video here, but then this company has put together a webinar presentation that goes into a little bit more details. So watch this one, and then you can just go straight here to call the call center. If you have any questions, give them my ID. All right, guys. Now, with that being said, I want to welcome one of my new members, Mr. Brian, to the team. Thank you so much, Mr. Brian, for signing up. He just got started today. So I want to show you that payment proof. And if you'd like to join me, the link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Get started earning these $200, $400, or $800 commissions. So let's take a look. Okay, as you can see right here, Mr. Brian sent in his $200 payment directly to me via Cash App. All right, guys, so another payment for DWP is here. Okay, so the proof is in the pudding. This does work. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with me in DWP, the link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. I would love to work with you guys. Until next time, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.